guys, and welcome back to Cue the Confetti Vlogmas. We are actually recording this and uploading it on the same day, so hi. Today is Tuesday, December 22nd, and we are running out of ideas. I don't know if you're like me and a millennial mom. I'm an old millennial, and you have been watching TikTok, because I've been watching TikTok for about a year now. Today we are going to do a TikTok recipe, which is a first for me. I watched it and saved it on my phone probably about 3 or 4 months ago, and now we're going to do it here. All right, so watch this TikTok and this is what we're going to do.
Today I'm going to share my great uncle's gingerbread recipe with you. We started off with a cup of brown sugar, a cup of white sugar, and about 8 tablespoons of ginger. He said you got to have a lot of ginger. Mix all that up, and then we're going to add us a cup of shortening. Make sure to press down that shortening and get it real good and mixed up. Then we're going to add a cup of molasses, a few big tablespoons of sour cream, and a little bit of milk. And also we're going to add 3 eggs. Now we're going to mix that up real good, and now it's time to add the flour. It's going to take about 5 to 7 cups, depending on the weather. We used close to 7 because it was raining that day. Only add a few cups of flour at a time, and then mix and mix and mix till it gets real thick. He said you got to put flour on your hands and then pinch off the size of about a silver dollar of that dough, and you're going to roll it up in between your hands. Once it feels sticky, that's when you're going to put it down in the pan and push your knuckles down on it. You're going to add it to an oven. We had ours at 350. No definite time because everybody's oven's different, but when it starts cracking, it's done. He was real excited to share this recipe with y'all, so let me know if you try it.
All right, so we're ready to go. This is an Appalachian recipe of gingerbread cookies. I am halving the recipe because I think I'm the only one that likes gingerbread. The first thing they said was a cup of white sugar, so we're going to do half a cup of white sugar. Here's our white sugar. And then a cup of brown sugar is what they called for. We're going to do a half a cup packed. They said 4 heaping tablespoons of ginger. Start stirring. This is new ginger. I got the last ginger at the store. Sorry, people of Edmond. It said be real gingery with it, and I like ginger, so.
A lot.
The original cost her 8.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah, they're gingerbread cookies. Smells so good. Next is 3/4 a cup of molasses.
Editor Kalina here. No, it is not. You need to do
It's
the
gonna take forever.
shortening first. I think that's my
that
biggest
good
mistake I made.
molasses. We're doing 3/4 a cup of molasses. This is dark molasses. This is what makes gingerbread dark, is molasses. You stick your finger in there and try it. Looks like motor oil, doesn't it? Now we got a half a cup of shortening.
Why does it look like butter?
Oh, it's kind of like butter. It's vegetable. And then I'm going to take these where the shortening's still stuck on the, and flip it down in the pan, and that's how I'm going to grease my pan. Next is half a cup of milk.
Yes.
We're going to do a couple scoops of sour cream, 2 eggs, might have already messed it up. That's okay. We're going to power through. We're going to stir this all together and then add our flour. That's what it looks like so far. The original said 5 to 7 cups of flour, depending on what the weather's like. The weather here is pretty dry, and they said they almost used 7 cups because it was rainy, so I'm gonna guess we're gonna use on the lesser end. Now we add our flour. 1 cup at a time. So 2.5 to 4.5 cups for me. Here's a half. And stir. Ooh, this is giving me good arm muscles. another half cup. It's a cup of flour. Another half a cup. We're not real thick yet. We're gonna add another half a cup. Oh, it looks pretty good, I think. But we're gonna do another half a cup.
Mix till it gets real thick.
I'm gonna do one more half cup, and that'll take us to 3 cups. Okay, this should be it. See if I can mix it. It really is tough. This is how it looks in the video. You got a dough formed. So it says get flour on your hands. And pinch off about a silver dollar. And roll it into a ball till it gets sticky. And it does, it gets sticky again. And then put it in your grease pan and dig your knuckles into it. Get some more. Roll it into a ball till it gets slightly sticky. Press your knuckles into it. Here they are, ready to go in. And the TikTok says put them in until they're cracking. So I'm gonna check, I'm gonna guess that it's gonna take 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm gonna check them at 10. So here we go, putting them in a 350 oven for 10 minutes to start off with, and I'll come back to you when they're ready. All right, here they are. It took about 22 minutes. I'm gonna let them cool a little bit, and I'll do a little taste test with some milk. They look pretty good. They smell good. They got heavier. It's rich brown, but it's not translating on the camera. They started to crack, so I pulled them out. Okay, it's cooled off enough. Here it is. It looks beautiful, I think, and delicious. I'll break it apart so you can see the inside. Ooh. I hope I didn't do them wrong. Delicious. Okay, here we go. It's really bready, very gingery, pretty good. It's not overly sweet. You need a glass of milk. I like it. I like it. But I don't think anybody else in my family is gonna like it, just because they're not ginger eaters. So that's it for today. I'm gonna enjoy this gingerbread cookie. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And we have only, what, 3 more? 2 more? I can't even remember. 3 more videos for you. I've really enjoyed making them, and I hope you have enjoyed watching them. Merry Christmas!